Did you know your body has a special timer that tells you how long you will live? It's not on your watch, it's deep inside your cells. It's called telomere. Think of it like the plastic tip on your shoelace. If that tip breaks, your shoelace unravels. If your telomere shrinks too much, your cells wear out, and so do you. Today I'm going to show you how being overweight, having too much fat, makes your telomeres get shorter faster. That means your body can age faster. But the good news is you can actually slow it down. So let's find out how. Let's talk about telomeres. They live at the ends of your DNA. DNA is like the instruction book for your body, like a recipe for how to make you. And telomeres, they're like the plastic tips on shoelaces that keep the ends from fraying. Every time your body makes new cells, which it does all the time, your telomeres get a tiny bit shorter. And that's normal. But when they get too short, your cells get confused or stop working. Some cells even die. That's why scientists call telomeres your aging clock. Short telomeres equals older cells, which equals older you. So what happens when those telomeres get too short? Think of it like this. If you keep cutting the tip of your pencils, it gets harder and harder to write. Eventually, there's nothing left to sharpen. That's how your cells feel when telomeres get too short. They can't do their jobs, and that can cause real problem. Short telomeres are linked to heart disease, cancer, memory problems, and even dying earlier. So keeping your telomeres healthy helps keep you healthy. Now, let's talk about obesity. That's when someone has too much fat stores in their body. A little fat is normal. It keeps you warm and gives you energy. But too much fat, that's a problem. Why? Because fat doesn't just sit there, it sends out messages. And sometimes those messages cause inflammation. And that's like a tiny fire inside your body that doesn't go out. This fire can hurt your heart, your brain, your joints, and yes, your telomeres. When your body is inflamed all the time, it starts aging faster. Obesity speeds up cellular aging by increasing oxidative stress and chronic inflammation, which damage and shortens telomeres, your body's biological clock. So let's go deeper. What's really happening inside your body when there is too much fat? Fat doesn't just sit there quietly. Nope. Fat is active, like a tiny messenger. And guess what? It's shouting, I am on fire. I am stressed out. When you have too much fat, especially belly fat, it creates inflammation. Think of it like this. Your immune system is like lighting little fires all over your body, trying to fix things. But the fires don't stop. They just keep burning. And your telomeres, they get scorched over time. Telomeres are sensitive. They don't like heat. Too much inflammation equals telomeres shrinking faster. It's like leaving plastic out in the sun. It melts and breaks. Now, next is, let's talk about oxidative stress. This is like a rust forming inside your body. Imagine you leave your bike out in the rain. What happens? It gets rusty, right? Oxidative stress is like that rust. It builds up inside your cells, slowly damaging them. Obesity causes your cells to make too many free radicals, and these are unstable little troublemakers. They bounce around inside your body like ping pong balls, hitting everything, including your telomeres. When that keeps happening, telomeres break down faster. You have got inflammation and oxidative stress happening at the same time. That's like lighting a fire on a rusty bike. Everything breaks faster. That's what fat does to your cells. It puts them under constant stress, and your telomeres, they shorten way faster than normal. So even if you are young, your cells can act like they're old. That's called accelerated aging. Okay, so now we know that fat shortens telomeres. But what does that mean for your health? Let's take a simple example. Two people, both are 40 years old. One has healthy weight, the other one has obesity. They look the same age on paper, but inside, their cells tell a different story. The lean person's cells are 40, but the person with obesity, their cells look like they're 50 or even 60. That's called biologic age, how old your body feels on the inside. And that matters because short telomeres aren't just a sign of aging, they are a sign that damage is happening. Here's what scientists have found. People with shorter telomeres are more likely to get heart disease. They're more likely to develop cancer. They're more likely to experience brain fog, memory loss, and even dementia. And yes, more likely to die earlier. So carrying extra fat isn't just about weight. It's about how fast your cells are wearing out. It's like driving your car 100 miles an hour every day without checking the oil. Eventually, the engine breaks down. That's what's happening inside your body. And the scary part, you won't feel telomere shortening. There's no warning lights, but by the time you feel tired, forgetful, or sick, it might already be happening. So here's the good news. You are not stuck. You can protect your telomeres. Start with these 3 things. Move more. Even walking helps. It lowers stress and protects your cells. Sleep deep. Your body heals at night. Don't skip it. Also, cut back on sugar, fried foods, and sitting too long. Those things shrink your telomeres even faster. And if you have extra fat, you don't need to be a superhero. Just a small weight loss can already make your cells feel younger. Remember, your telomeres are talking to you. They are telling you how fast your body is aging. And they don't lie. Obesity speeds up your aging clock, but every health choice slows it down. So whether you're 8 or 80, you can start today. Take care of your body and it will take care of you. Protect your telomeres and protect life. Thank you.